How not to get penalized by the next Google Premium update. Please note that the article was originally published in August of 2012 and its contact क्या देख रही थी. If you keep an eye updates from the SEO industry, you know that one of the most talked about topic in the industry current inmate Kurt's statement on the pension also changed. Until now there has only been one major pension update, but this SCS and Francisco. If you remember, in the early days of Panda, it took several months for us to iterate on the algorithm, and the Panda impact tended to be somewhat larger. Later on, the Panda update has less impact over time, as well as stabilized signals algorithm, and Panda moved closer to near monthly update. Likewise, we are still in the early stage of the pension, with the engineer are incorporating new signal and iterating to improve the algorithm. Because of that, impact of the next new pension update will take longer, incorporate additional signal, and as a result we have more noticeable impact. It's not the case that people should be expect to refresh the pension quite yet. Many readers may not take to its update seriously and will consider it just another update, but those who got hit by the first pension update or by another also change will understand just how significant this change is going to be. Unlike a minor data refresh, the next pension update is going to be a major SEO change. Will be cause many online business to go down and many other to get a great first. There is no deadline or accepted time frame for the next pension also change, but once it's rolled out, it may be too late for many users to make necessary change and get back to business. Therefore, now is the time when you could work on your blog and on your link building champion, and start putting your brand into front in an attempt to avoid being penalized by the next pension update. Things to implement now to avoid penalty. Here are a few things we can do today to ensure safeguard against the next update. A pension penalty is most related to links and anchor text. This include external links from your site, incoming link quality, and anchor text variations. There may be other signals, but links are the major reason for penalties. You should also consider making your site and Panda proof, because the update will be include signals from the Panda ago, and any of them could be culprit of your site ranking drop. How to recover the Google Panda? Paid poster is a very useful way to monetize your blog, but Google is against link selling with the intent to pass link use. If you have sold to paid post first, your SEO optimize link backs, so I did remove link to or give the link or make it natural. You can also use a not follow link if you have linked out. Another thing you can do is add a few quality links